Hey, it's David here. Let me ask you something. Have you ever wanted to make an extra $1,000 a month without quitting your job or spending a fortune up front? Well, I've got good news. You're about to discover 7 side hustles that can do just that, even if you're starting from zero. But here's the twist. Some of these side hustles are so underrated that most people have no idea they exist. Stick around, because the last one on this list is something almost no one talks about, yet it's insanely profitable. Alright, let's dive in. Side hustle number 1. Print-on-demand t-shirts. This is one of the simplest ways to start making money online with minimal effort. You create simple designs, and I mean really simple, like catchy phrases or quirky graphics. Upload them to a print-on-demand platform like Redbubble or Teespring, and they handle everything from printing to shipping. Your job? Just market your designs. Now, here's where most people mess up. They create designs that are way too complicated. Instead, focus on simple, catchy phrases or trendy topics. Think memes, popular quotes, or seasonal themes. The best part? You don't need any design skills. Use free tools like Canva to create your artwork in minutes. But wait, you might be wondering, how do you actually get sales? That's where social media comes in. Post your designs on platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Create short, engaging videos showcasing your designs in action. You'll be surprised how quickly a catchy design can go viral. Here's a quick tip. Focus on niche audiences. Instead of making generic shirts, pick a specific group, like dog lovers or fitness enthusiasts. That way, your designs resonate with a passionate crowd who's more likely to buy. Let's move on to side hustle number 2, freelance content writing. If you've got a way with words, this can be a goldmine. Companies and bloggers are constantly looking for people to write blog posts, social media content, and marketing copy. The demand is huge, and you don't need a fancy degree to get started. Start by signing up on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Create a simple portfolio showcasing your writing style, even if it's just a few sample articles you wrote for practice. Here's a tip. Pick a niche. Whether it's tech, finance, or lifestyle, being known for a specific topic makes you more attractive to clients. And here's the secret to landing your first gig. Start small. Offer a lower rate to build your profile, and once you have a few positive reviews, gradually increase your rates. Freelance writing can easily bring in $1,000 a month if you're consistent and reliable. Now, you might be thinking, but I'm not a professional writer. That's totally fine. Many clients are looking for simple, conversational content, not Shakespeare. Plus, you can always use tools like Grammarly to polish your work. Before we move on, here's a question for you. What would you do with an extra $1,000 a month? Drop your ideas in the comments. I'm curious. Now, let's talk about side hustle number 3, affiliate marketing. This one is all about promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale. The best part? You don't need to create or own any products yourself. Here's how it works. You sign up for an affiliate program, like Amazon Associates or Share a Sale, and you get a unique link. Whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a percentage. The trick here is to recommend products you actually believe in. People can sense when you're just pushing something for money. Whether it's gadgets, books, or software tools, choose things you genuinely like or use yourself. And here's a game changer. Build a simple blog or YouTube channel where you review these products. Share your honest thoughts and demonstrate how the product solves a problem. The more helpful your content, the more likely people are to click your links. But what makes this strategy really powerful is passive income. Once your content is out there, it keeps generating clicks and commissions long after you've moved on to the next project. Okay, we're just getting started. The next few side hustles are where things really get interesting. One of them involves using AI tools in a way most people haven't even thought of yet. Stick around, because you won't want to miss that one. Now, let's move on to side hustle number 4, virtual assistants. If you're organized and good with admin tasks, this one's for you. Virtual assistants help businesses with things like email management, scheduling, social media, and basic customer support. And here's the kicker. Some virtual assistants earn up to $30 an hour, depending on their skills. To get started, sign up on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or even specialized sites like Belay. Create a profile that highlights your organizational skills and any relevant experience, even if it's just managing your own calendar efficiently. Here's a tip to stand out. Offer to do a small task for free as a trial. Once they see your work ethic, many clients will hire you for longer-term gigs. And here's the best part. You can work with clients from around the world, which means flexible hours and the ability to work from anywhere. Next up, side hustle number 5, social media management. Businesses know they need a social media presence, but many just don't have the time to manage it. That's where you come in. As a social media manager, you'll create posts, respond to comments, and help grow their online presence. Here's a pro tip. Choose a niche, like fitness trainers or small local businesses, and become their go-to expert. If you're not sure how to start, offer to manage a friend's business page for free in exchange for a testimonial. Once you've built some experience, you can charge anywhere from $300 to $1,000 per month per client, depending on the scope of work. Plus, this hustle has massive growth potential if you decide to turn it into a full-fledged social media agency. All right, let's switch gears a bit with side hustle number 6. Online tutoring. If you're good at a particular subject, why not teach it? Online tutoring platforms like VIP Kid, Chegg Tutors, or even hosting private Zoom sessions can earn you decent money. You can teach English, math, coding, whatever you're passionate about. And here's something most people don't know. Niche tutoring is in high demand. For example, teaching basic coding to kids or helping adults learn conversational English. Pick a specific audience, and you'll face way less competition. You can start with simple educational videos on YouTube to showcase your teaching style, and then direct interested viewers to book a session. This way, you're building credibility while also generating leads. Now, get ready for the 7th and final side hustle, and this one's a game changer. Using AI tools to automate income. That's right. With AI becoming more accessible, people are using tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Jasper to create content, generate designs, and even write copy for small businesses. One strategy that's blowing up right now is creating and selling AI-generated art. You can use platforms like Etsy to sell custom prints, or even launch a website that offers personalized art. But here's where it gets really interesting. Combine AI-generated content with affiliate marketing. For example, create a blog where you post AI-written articles on trending topics and include affiliate links. You're leveraging automation to create content at scale, and the income keeps rolling in. Think about this. While most people are just learning to use AI tools, you'll be ahead of the curve, turning them into passive income streams. All right, we've covered 7 powerful side hustles that can realistically make you $1,000 a month or more, even if you're starting with nothing. Remember, the key is to pick one that suits your skills and interests, and then stay consistent. Now let me ask you something. Out of these 7 side hustles, which one would you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more videos packed with real, actionable ideas to boost your income, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep hustling and stay minty.